Welcome back to our travel channel. In today's episode, we embark on an exhilarating motorcycle journey from bustling Bangkok to the exquisite island of Koh Samui, covering an epic distance of 760 kilometers. We'll make an overnight stop in Surat Thani to recharge, and the next day, we'll board a ferry bound for the dreamy beaches of Koh Samui. The day begins with a radiant sun, pleasant temperatures hovering around 30 degrees. As we set out, the warm rays embrace us, promising a perfect start to our journey. Normally, I cover around 300 to 400 kilometers a day, but today, the call of the open road is strong, and I feel the energy to push it a bit further, 645 kilometers straight. The road is in good condition, it's all freeway. I'm maintaining a good speed except for the fact that trucks are constantly changing lanes. So, I have to stay focused all the time, especially at high speeds. On my journey through Thailand, it's not common to see many accidents, despite the perception that driving is often reckless in the country. It's starting to rain, and it seems like the rainy season hasn't come to an end. We're at the end of November. Particularly in this area from Chumphon towards Surat Thani, every time I've passed through here, it's been raining. I finally arrived in Surat Thani on schedule. This is the hotel room for tonight. Tomorrow morning, I will catch the ferry to Samui.
Motorbike free. Eh? Samui. เท่าไหร่ เท่าไหร่ 300 โอเค เห็นไหม โอ้ยไม่
They secure the motorcycle with pieces of wood instead of using straps. The motorcycle remains securely in place, and there is no movement even during the waves. The journey from the pier to Samui is quiet, with generally calm waters and minimal waves. It takes approximately 1 hour and 20 minutes, offering a smooth and pleasant crossing. The weather continues to show no mercy, and it keeps raining. I have finally reached my destination, Chaweng Beach, where I've already found a resort and booked a room for a few days.
Hello. Montien house, Montien. Check-in tini, motorbike, tinunday. Okay.
The first thing I always check before booking a resort is whether it has a good and secure parking space for my motorcycle. It's crucial for the bike to be safe and sheltered from the heat or rain, ensuring it stays in good condition.
Tinay kap, tini, tinun, tinay, tini, tinun.
The resort is very friendly and family-oriented, with excellent service from the staff. The price of this resort is reasonable, considering it's right on the beachfront in the heart of Chaweng. Restaurants, shopping centers, supermarkets, and nightlife areas are just across the street, eliminating the need for transportation. After settling in and leaving my belongings, the island invites you to hop on a motorcycle and explore the various coves and beaches. Driving in Samui is very relaxing, with well-maintained roads providing a pleasant experience.
มันครับอันนี้บอสไปที่ไหน
ตัวแทนของผมมาสูงค่ะ
โอเคไปไอแลนด์
จ้ะตัวแทนนะเนี่ยกับมัดสูงไม้แหละ
โอเคครับ
ที่ไงแหละ
เท่าไหร่
รถวันเท่าเส้นที่กันเดินค่ะ
1,600
ค่ะ
ตาคนเดียว
จ้ะคนเดียว
นมปังเขา
1,600 บาทที่โบนามี
ไม่มีคน
เหรอ
คนเดียว นมปัง600แต่ค่าคนนมปัง600
โม่โม่
หมด
จ้ะ
ค่าคนเท่าไหร่
2,000
2,000ค่าโอเคโอเคกันดีเลย
จ้ะ
ทีนี้มีอันนี้ก็ตัน
มัดสูง
โอเคอันนี้เท่าไหร่ทีนี้เท่าไหร่
ตันนิดนึง
เหมือนกันโอเคครับ
นี่นะคนใส่เกียร์
โอเคครับขอบคุณมากครับ
On the way, I came across this pier where boats take you to the surrounding islands. However, this time, I decided to pass due to the bad weather and the high cost for a solo trip, 1,600 bahts, 42 euros, $45. I'll save this experience for a future visit when the weather is better. The Avani Hotel Samui Resort offers an unparalleled tropical escape. This exclusive retreat seamlessly blends modern elegance with the tranquility of the surrounding nature, creating an idyllic atmosphere for those seeking peace and relaxation.
Sawadee lot ini ya, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Nih.
In Samui, you can discover numerous restaurants lining the coast, offering the perfect setting to savor delicious meals with a view of the sea. Koh Samui boasts a tropical climate with two main seasons. The dry season from December to February brings warm temperatures and clear skies, ideal for outdoor activities. March to August sees hotter and more humid weather, while the rainy season from September to November brings occasional downpours. Despite the rain, Koh Samui remains lush and vibrant, offering unique perspectives on its natural beauty. Visitors should be prepared for short bursts of rain even in the dry season and pack accordingly for a comfortable stay. Fisherman's Village in Koh Samui is a charming seaside destination known for its quaint atmosphere and rich cultural heritage. Located in Boput, this area was once a thriving fishing community, and today it retains its traditional charm with wooden shophouses, rustic buildings, and a vibrant street market. Visitors can explore a variety of boutiques, art galleries, and enjoy seaside dining with a view of the picturesque Gulf of Thailand. The Friday night walking street market is a highlight, where locals and tourists gather for a lively atmosphere filled with food stalls, music, and unique finds. Fisherman's Village offers a delightful blend of history, culture, and modern attractions along the island's stunning coastline.
Yeah, this hotel has good price. It is 900 baht. The room is quite good. It's in the center of Chawen.
After a long day exploring the island's beaches, it's time to head out for some beers. Playing pool provides an easy way to meet people. Chowing is perfect for having a good time, accompanied by friendly locals, in a lively atmosphere. The main street comes alive with a kaleidoscope of neon lights, lively bars, and pulsating music. From beachfront clubs to laid-back lounges, Chaweng offers a diverse range of venues to suit various preferences. The bustling Green Mango Strip is a hotspot for those seeking dance clubs and late-night entertainment.
Sawadika. Yeah, outside.
After only a few hours of sleep, it's time to grab a coffee and have some breakfast to tackle another day. To reach my next destination, I have to climb this very steep road. I'll wait for the truck to pass by first. Safer that way.
Sawadika. Nung kon.
We have over there.
Temesan. Lechaisan.
Table.
Okay, kap.
A breathtaking panoramic perspective of the island's stunning landscapes. Situated atop a hill, the viewpoint provides a 360-degree view of the azure sea, lush greenery, and neighboring islands. The journey to the viewpoint is an adventure in itself, involving a scenic drive along winding roads surrounded by tropical foliage. At the Cocoon Viewpoint, visitors can unwind in comfortable seating areas or capture memorable moments against the backdrop of the mesmerizing scenery. The viewpoint is particularly popular during sunrise and sunset, offering a magical play of colors over the Gulf of Thailand.
Look, I was scared. Oh, it's not that. Oh, no, it's long. No, it is. It's locked. You don't want to do that.
Another intriguing spot to grab a quick snack and take a break during your island exploration. Grandmother and Grandfather Rocks, also known as Hin Yai and Hin Ta, are unique natural formations on Koh Samui southern coast. These rocks, shaped like male and female genitalia, are both a geological curiosity and a cultural landmark. Visitors often pause at this scenic spot to marvel at the rocks and enjoy the beautiful coastal views.
Yeah. Good, and you?
Crystal Bay on Koh Samui is a beautiful beach known for its crystal-clear waters and tranquil surroundings. It provides a peaceful retreat away from the more bustling areas of the island. Visitors can enjoy pristine sandy shores, calm sea conditions, and the opportunity for various water activities.
ทีนี้ไม่มีกลมไปปิดไม่มีปัญหาเนาะตัวนี้ไม่มีกลไม่มีกลมไปโอเคครับไปที่นู่นโอเคกินข้าวสวัสดีครับอยากกิน
Is it about you? Makes me still need you. You're nothing I want.
Back to the resort to savor the sunset, with a beer by the pool until dinner time, then heading out again for the night. Embark Bar Beach Club is a multifaceted establishment that offers a beachfront setting during the day and transforms into a dynamic nightlife spot after the sun sets. During the day, visitors can relax on the sandy shores, enjoy refreshing drinks, and partake in water activities. As evening approaches, the beach club transitions into a party destination with DJs, music, and a vibrant crowd. The lively atmosphere and beachfront location make it a sought-after spot for those looking to combine sun, sea, and nightlife in Koh Samui.
Put your hands up, put your hands up, put your fucking hands up. Three, two, one, let's go.
Okay, bye.
It's time to pack up and bid farewell to this enchanting island. As I carefully stow away the memories of sunsets, sandy beaches, and the vibrant energy of Koh Samui, I carry with me the echoes of a truly unforgettable experience. Until we meet again, Island Paradise. The rain falls once again, just as it did when I arrived. It seems the island is bidding me farewell with the same gentle showers that welcomed me. In this rhythmic dance of raindrops, I leave Koh Samui with the memory of both the downpour that greeted me and the tender drizzle that accompanies my departure. I had the pleasure of meeting fellow riders, a group of friendly individuals with whom I engaged in conversations about the joys of motorcycle travel. Sharing stories of the open road, scenic routes, and the thrill of exploration, we found camaraderie in our common love for the freedom that comes with navigating the world on two wheels. It's time to bid farewell to my newfound friends and head towards Hua Hin, where I'll spend the night before making my way to Bangkok the next day. As the road beckons, I carry the shared stories of our journey together and anticipate the adventures that await in the next leg of my travels. Awaits me is a journey of 9 hours and 567 kilometers. The road stretches out, inviting a mix of anticipation and adventure. It's not just a distance, it's a canvas on which the stories of the journey will unfold, each kilometer a marker of the road's tales. This time, the rain appears with greater intensity, lingering longer and causing a delay in my scheduled journey. As the persistent downpour slows my pace, I find solace in the rhythm of raindrops on the road.
Okay. Ôi, người.
What's your name?
Alberto.
Yeah.
Mila.
Alberto.
Okay.
Yes. Then I check it.
Finally arrived in Hua Hin, feeling a bit weary. Looking forward to a hearty dinner and a well-deserved stroll to find a place for a refreshing beer. The journey's fatigue fades away in anticipation of good food and the simple pleasure of a relaxing evening. The resort is centrally located in Hua Hin, conveniently within walking distance of the bustling walking street. Positioned at the heart of the city, it offers easy access to vibrant local attractions and the lively atmosphere of the surrounding area. After a restful night's sleep, I check out of my room to make my way into Bangkok. However, the entrance via Rama 2, due to ongoing construction, proves to be a challenging experience, adding a touch of inconvenience to the start of my day.
Manila ka dulay. Sunset bed. Sunset home. Oh, sunset home. Good price.
And thus concludes this journey filled with unforgettable moments. From sunny beaches to unexpected rain, each experience has left its mark. I appreciate everyone for joining me on this ride. Until the next adventure, see you in the next video.